Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5-minute solution. Hope so you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that how to take a screenshot of computer in Windows 10. Friends, sometimes we need to take a screenshot. On that case, you can use this trick. So friends, to know this setting, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5-minute solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next notification, my friends. Friends, I'll open internet browser. I'll take a screenshot of this screen, my friends. So my friends, to take the screenshot of this, I have to press Windows button and print screen together, my friends. So I'll take the screenshot now. And see, my friends, when I was taking a screenshot, my computer screen was dissolved for a while. Now you can minimize this one, my friends. To find out the screenshot, you have to go on this PC. Then you have to go on picture, my friends. Then you have to click on screenshots. And see, my friend, the last one, right? You have to double click to open. My friends, when you will take the screenshot, it will save in PNG file, my friends. But if you want to change the format, you have to click on file. Then you have to click on save as, my friend. Then you can choose your file format from here, my friends. I want to keep this file in JPG format. So I have to click on JPG. Then, my friends, you have to select the location to save this file. I want to save in desktop. So I have to click on desktop, my friends. Then you have to click on save. Then you have to click on OK, my friends. Now you can close this window, my friends. And see, my friends, this is my screenshot, right? So open it. I have saved this file in JPG format also. So friends, like this you can take a screenshot in Windows 10. Friends, to take a screenshot in Windows 10, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notification, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.